come right, Cymru, come on, Wales! And good luck to our Irish friends as well, but not too much.
It was the biggest day in the rugby calendar. The Welsh capital was met with the sounds of hymns and arias, the smell of cheap aftershave people had been saving since Christmas, and the taste of watered-down lager. Ireland were in town, and the Grand Slam was on.
Well, I'm outside the Principality Stadium. 24 hours ago, I was stood right in this very spot. There was no one here. Have a look at it now. It's a sea of Irish and Welsh fans. I can hardly wait. I got my tickets ready. I'm here with my father. We're going to go watch the game.
Really are.
What are your thoughts for the game, Daddy?
Looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. Real big day. I hope the fans enjoy. We're up here for one thing, to all enjoy themselves.
Welsh fans took shelter from the wind, and the thought of victory was but a dream. Clutching their plastic cups and embracing the cold, it was time. The first half was underway, and despite the look of panic in our faces, we actually did pretty well.
Shemai, well, it is half-time, 16-0, Dad. What are your half-time thoughts?
Really, really happy how things are going. Alvin Jones, what a warrior, what a warrior. Anscombe kicking immaculate, looking really good. Looking forward to the next 40 minutes. Let's win this one.
The next 40 minutes were indeed crucial. Anscombe kicked his heart out, and the Welsh defence was some of the best seen in the entire tournament. It was a heart-pumping display, and despite a late Irish try, nothing was going to deny Wales the victory they had worked so hard for. It was a day we will never forget. Wales 25, Ireland 7.